Hi everyone, I'm Avdesh God. In this video, we'll be utilizing the line charts to understand the trends over time data. We'll be implementing the continuous line chart, the discrete line charts, as well as the dual line charts. Well, let's get started. If we go to Show Me and hover over the different type of line charts, we'll get to know that date is one of the data type required to plot the trends over time. For both continuous and discrete line charts will require at least a measure, whereas for a dual line chart will require at least two measures. Let's have a look at the profits made over time by the order date. Using the control key, select order date from dimensions and profit from the measures. Go to Show Me and select the continuous line chart. Tableau will plot the same for us with the highest available hierarchy of the date field, which is year over here. And that's why we can see the year of order date in the column shelf. We can easily drill down by using the plus icon in the same field available over the column shelf to move to quarters, months, weeks, until the most granular level, that is the day of order date over here. Using the drop down over here, we can even choose the custom one. Let's go ahead with quarters. We can also choose the exact date option, which will automatically bring it back to the lowest level of granularity of the date field available in the dataset. We can also turn on the labels and select minimum and maximum to turn it on for the maximum and the minimum value in the view available over here. Let's build the discrete bar chart utilizing the same measures and dimensions. Using the control key, select order date from dimensions and profits from measures. Go to Show Me and select the discrete line chart this time. If you notice, in this case, the date column is blue in color, whereas in previous case, it was always green. Reason being, in Tableau, the discrete fields are represented by the blue color, whereas the continuous fields are represented with a green one. And that's why the color of the data types in front of the field names are specifically blue and green, representing whether it's a discrete field or a continuous one. We can drill down the date over here as well. But in this case, we are getting the disjoint lines for each year as we have moved to quarters. This is behaving in the expected fashion as it's a discrete line chart. Let's move to another sheet to build the dual axis line chart. Using the control key, select order date, profit, and sales. Go to show me and select the dual line chart. Tableau will automatically plot the line chart for us utilizing the dual axis. The legend color over here will enable us to identify on which line represents which measure. That is, profit is represented here with a blue line, whereas the orange line represents the sales. There is a small catch over here. Tableau will not synchronize the axes automatically. Let us synchronize the axis by right-clicking on it and checking Synchronize Axis. We can drill down here as well to have a closer look at the sales and profit trend over time. In the next video, we'll learn to build the combined charts in Tableau.